How to fix cellular data not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix cellular data not working on your iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is toggle airplane mode. So first thing, you need to open the settings and here simply toggle on the airplane mode. And after that, just wait for about 10 seconds and then toggle it off again. And this will disconnect you from the network and reconnect everything, sometimes helping to reset the connection. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to turn off Wi-Fi. So now, let's make sure that we are using cellular data, not Wi-Fi. So in your settings, just tap on Wi-Fi and turn it off so we can test the cellular data. And with that, let's move forward to the step 3, that is to toggle cellular data. So head back to the settings and tap on cellular. Now here at the top, you can see the cellular data. So turn that off for a few seconds and turn it back on. And this can help reconnect your phone to your cellular network. And with that, let's move forward to the step 4, that is to check cellular data option. So here under cellular data, tap on cellular data option and make sure that the data roaming is on. For voice and data, I recommend setting it to 4G or 5G auto for faster speeds and ensure data mode is set to standard. If low data mode is on, it can limit your data usage. So make sure that it's turned off. And with that, let's move to the step 5, that is to restart your iPhone. So once you have done that, restart your phone by holding down the volume up button and the power button and then slide to turn off your phone. And after it powers off, turn it back on and check if the cellular data works. And if it doesn't work, let's move forward to the step 6, that is to reset network settings. So if your cellular data still isn't working, let's reset your network settings. So go back to your settings and from here simply tap on General. Now here once you are inside the General section, simply scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And here tap on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. And this will reset all your network settings including Wi-Fi password and VPN settings. But it usually solves cellular connection issues. And with that, let's move forward to the step 7, that is to update carrier settings. So next, let's make sure that your carrier settings are up to date. So go back to the settings and tap on About. Now here, if there is carrier settings update available, you will see a prompt to update. So go ahead and follow the instruction to update your carrier settings. And with that, let's move forward to the final step, that is to check your SIM card. So if none of these steps worked, your SIM card could be the problem. So try removing your SIM card and reinsert it. And if it still doesn't work, you might need a new SIM card for your carrier. And that's it. These steps should help you to get your cellular data back up and running on your iPhone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.